What we are going to do in the post office, we touches the lives of an Indian citizen. We can post our letters, mails or else messages through post office. You find here the counter, we can deposit this letter here. Okay, we can post this card also here. And every postcard we have a stamp over here. Do you find the stamp over here? Everyone? Who is he? Which stamp do you find here? Like this, we have a different type of stamps. Why do we paste stamps? It does cost anything for the stamp? Yes, it costs for the stamp. Okay, depending upon the destination where we are going to send this post, the value of the stamps will be there. Okay? Only within India. Okay? Not abroad. You can send this England letter within India itself. Yeah? Come on, we will show you in detail how it moves. Envelopes. We are going to deposit this envelopes in the post office. Okay? On fine day, you will receive this envelopes with the greetings. Do you feel happy of receiving the envelopes to your home? Yes. Okay. Well, let us deposit this envelopes in this counter. Okay? Come. Okay. Inland letters are nothing but they will be there in the specific size and shape. It's not like A4 size paper it will be there. It will have some format and it will be there in a specific size. It is the size of sheet of paper where you can drop your message in this and you can send it through post office only. And this inland letter can be sent within India or else to abroad we can send. Can anyone say? No, we cannot send it to the abroad. It will transmit only in India. Okay? Okay. And the coming days you have a friendship day, right? Kindly I want everyone to send the message to your friends through inland post office. Okay? Thank you.
Very nice.
Just check now. Yes. Yes. Practically we want to show you how it moves to the destination. Okay? Yes.
నా వైపు చూడండి మీరు అందరూ కూడా ఓకేనా అది సి as madam said first of all this is the letter no so మనం ఏం చేస్తాం if at all you want to send the letter to your friend on the occasion of his birthday you want to send the letter to his friend your friend okay your name is Sai your friend name is your friend name yes see first of all his name is Dakshit no Daksh see first of all whatever the matter you want to write put on the paper first put on the paper and that particular paper you supposed to fold in such a manner that supposed to fit in this particular envelope you supposed to fit in that particular paper in this envelope this is called the envelope first of all this is called the envelope whatever you are going to put on the paper see that you supposed to fold in such a manner that supposed to fit in this particular envelope then your name is Sahil then first of all back side of your letter this is the front side of the letter no this is the front face of front side of the letter this is the back side of the letter you have to write your from address your address on the back side of the letter your friend address supposed to be on front side of the letter this is the basic what you can say rule you supposed to follow in order to reach your letter without any delay see you have to follow this first rule then now you drop this letter see whenever you are going back you can find over the corner is there now you can find the letter box over there you can find you are supposed to drop your letter in that particular letter box then our peon our MTS will go and collect that particular letters then you will come there and as madam said previously you will stamp over there where you are going to paste the stamps no that stamps in order to not reuse see that particular MTS this big man going to stamp on the particular pasted stamps okay అర్థమైందా అక్కడ మీరు డ్రాప్ చేసినటువంటి లెటర్స్ ని ఒక ప్యూర్ లేదా ఎంటీఎస్ తీసుకొచ్చి ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి డే స్టాంప్ ఉంటుంది ఆ స్టాంప్ ని మళ్ళీ యూజ్ చేయకుండా చేస్తారు దెన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ లెటర్స్ గోస్ టు దట్ పర్టికులర్ మేడం సార్టింగ్ అసిస్టెంట్ మేడం ఇస్ దేర్ నో
మేడం మీట్ రండి
Then our sorting skills means head to the all the postmen. This particular madam going to sort this particular letters. Your friends, you have n number of friends. One friend used to stay in one column, n number of letters you are sending to the n number of people. Then that particular madam NGOs colony, one letter, and Sachivalaya colony, one letter. One of the one letter. In that particular manner, madam going to be sorted out. Then from there, we used to be all the postmen going to collect our particular letters. Then those particular letters going to be invoiced in that particular system by that particular sub called DPM, Deputy Postmaster. Then from there, after getting this receipt of this invoice letter, we are going to collect the letters parallelly with the particular sheet. Then from you send the 10 letters to 10 friends. So 10 number of postmen will each individual go and hand over to your friend, and we are going to collect your signature of your friend. That is the first point, the end point of the process of delivering the letters. Okay, I think
The letter box, okay? What you are sending in the inland letter? You are sending the greetings of Friendship Day to your friend. Okay? Yeah.
Yes.
Come.
Manasvi. Come this way. Yeah. Come, Leon. Come. Post. Come. Ritika, come. Bhavigna.
Is it working?
Yes, it's
Yeah,
working.
it's working.
What's inside?
It will not work here, so they are here only. This is the letter box.
Wait, Sanika. See the vehicle. Yes. Come. Go back, Sanika. Yes, it's done. Finished? Yes. Go to van. Go sit inside the van. Go sit. Wait. Go come back. Go come back. Okay.